Brycen, I got this huge tower. Yes, it is.
Who built that tower?
Me and Mama.
What are we going to do?
And knocked it down.
Okay, let's see what you got. Who's first?
This Chewbacca.
Chewbacca's my favorite. Which one's your favorite?
Han Solo and this guy.
Tell me when you're going to go. So you ready?
Ready, set, go.
Oh, man.
That's right, get a Chewbacca.
Okay, get the next one.
Co-pilot.
Show me. Come closer.
Show co-pilot.
Co-pilot. Hey, co-pilot. Oh, man. Good job.
Watch this. This guy's gonna. Okay, this guy.
Show me this guy. Come closer. What's his name?
Han Solo.
You love Han Solo?
Yep, and him shoot the gun at the golden egg.
Okay, let's see. The golden egg is right there. See, everybody? Can Brycen, Han Solo, get the golden... Oh, almost! How many Angry Bird packs do you have?
I don't know.
A lot or a little bit?
A lot.
You love Angry Bird so much? That one made it on the floor over there. Don't do it so hard. A little bit softer. Gotta get the golden egg.
Okay, this one can't fit on.
Try another launcher.
How about this one?
Correct. Ooh, good job. Who's next?
He's a guy.
Okay.
And this guy's getting knocked down the garden. Oh, almost.
Almost.
Chewbacca's getting knocked down.
Chewbacca has another try?
Yep. Chewbacca, what is Chewbacca?
Let's do it, Chewbacca. Oh, you got it. Good job. Come tell me what you did.
No, there's more piggies.
I know, but you gotta tell me that you got the golden egg.
I got
Look at
the
the
golden egg.
What's your name?
Brycen, I just got the golden egg.
Woohoo!
It's right here.
Awesome. You did great. All right, say bye, everybody.
No, I have more to do.
You have more?
Yeah.
Chop, chop, dude.
How about this one can work? It can knock them way over to King Pig and Mustache Pig.
King Pig and Mustache Pig. I thought that was Grandpa Pig.
Grandpa Pig and Mustache Pig.
Oh, man, it went back over there.
Yeah. We got the hugest one to go way over the black store.
All right, come on.
Oh.
Still missed it. You got two more.
Two more. This one got big. Okay. This guy's gonna knock down the whole city.
Good job.
Knock down that piece right there. And see that I'm doing? See?
Good job. All right, the last one.
Uh-oh.
Can he get Grandpa Pig? Can he get King Pig?
Yeah.
There they are.
I see.
Let's see what you got, Christopher. Let's do this. Oh, man.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.